Hey guys, this is Marco, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about a tool that is super easy to use and essential for your business, and it's free. And of course, this is Google Maps. And maybe there might be the thought that I have my website, I have social media, and maybe that's enough. Come up on Google searches. But having a Google Maps account, which is also called Google Business, is super essential to your business because it helps you not only to show up on the ranking of Google, but it also helps you to actually appear on the Google Maps app. Even it gets carried to some other apps. It's super useful to have as a tool, and it's very easy to use. You don't even have to use your physical location. You can just say that I work in the area of West Palm Beach. I work in the area of perhaps I don't know, Miami, New York. It doesn't matter. You can just it'll show you as working in that location. So the way to do it would be just look up Google Business on Google, and just click on it and make an account. So you can usually do it with your Gmail, and then it asks you some couple questions, and then it'll send you a postcard. And again, it doesn't mean that it's gonna show up your address, but it'll just help you to just be able to be shown in that area, specific area. And it usually takes about 5 to 6 business days to send you that postcard to that address. And once you get it, you just put that code in, and that's it. Your listing will go online, and then you'll be able to show up, and you'll be able to add a bunch of stuff that's super helpful for customers, like videos, like pictures, like I don't know, your services. You can show them on there. You can show even more locations that you can service. You can put I don't know, any off the top of my head, you can even put holidays when you work. You can put your products, everything that you can even put more stuff than you would put on your website, and everything will appear. And the bonus thing that is really useful that not too many people know about is that you can actually post things on your Google Business or Google Maps account. In other words, you can post exactly the same way that you would do it as in social media like Facebook and Instagram. You can post the same stuff on your Google Maps account, and this creates a link, a web page that actually will show up on Google searches, and it will take people to visit your website, or to call you, or to go to your location if you need. So there you have it. Just a quick little rundown of how Google Maps works and why it is so useful for your business. And I hope that it really helped you. And I'd like to know if you've used Google Maps before. What is the most your favorite part about it, or what do you not like, or what would you like to optimize the most when what is in other words, what is the thing that you like the most about Google Maps, or what you don't like? I'd love to hear what you have to say. So looking forward to speaking to you again, and thank you for listening, and see you next time.